Hi guys, this is Kautil Roshan and today we will be talking about social media. So you have to watch the video till end because I will be talking about 5 important point of social media. Particularly the first point we will be talking about what is the job opportunity in social media we have, and again we will be talking about what are the opportunity that we have as a freelancer, and then how much we can earn in freelancing with the social media if suppose I want to become a freelancer, social media freelancer. And again, like, we will be talking about introduction of social media, what are the channels, what are they used for. Whoever is new to my channel, so they can subscribe my channel. I keep posting frequent update about digital marketing, and my channel is dedicated to digital marketing. So those who want to learn digital marketing, they can subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So again, let's start with the first point, guys. Opportunity in social media as a job. So again, like, let's see in the job market what are the opportunity. So again, we can go to any job sites. Like suppose if I go to Indeed and if I check particularly, so if I go here and again if I am searching for social media marketing, suppose if I go here and I search for social media marketing, after that I click on find jobs, then again you can see here, if I cut this, you can see here marketing and social media coordinator, again 5 lakh 8,000 a year, then afterwards 2,000 a day, then again 5,000 a month for executive. So it will be a intern level job. Then again you can say 28,700 to 37,800. So again there are plenty of opportunity that we can have in the social media job market. So if we are looking to make a career out in social media, so indeed you can go and you can do that. If you see other job portal also, they also have. Now let's talk about the second point that we are discussing is like particularly how much there are opportunity as a freelancer. Yes, there are plenty of opportunity. So again, to see the opportunity that we have, we can go to any freelancing website, or suppose let's go to Upwork. Upwork again is a website where you can find freelancing opportunities and all. So again, like suppose if I go for Upwork freelance, let's go and let's search about social media. So suppose here I go here and I will search about social media. So if I search about social media here, I press enter, then afterwards you can see here 24,000 jobs are there. So again, if you see hourly, it's like $5 to $10. So again, like, after that you can again go and again you can see here $15 to $50, and again estimated budget 5,000. So again they might have monthly budget 5,000, then again here hourly basis you can say, and then again estimated budget $1,200. Then again if you say estimated budget $500, and you can say posted 20 minutes ago, so again estimated time 3 to 6 months, less than 30 hour a week. So again, like, lot of opportunities is there. You can say hourly $15 to $44, $5 to $10, $5 to $30 depending upon the work. So suppose like if I take, and it is hourly basis, guys. So suppose if I take the least amount, like suppose $5 in rupees. So if I convert this into Indian rupees, if you want you can convert that into other like currency also if you are watching this video from outside India. So again you can see here again 378 rupees, and this is per hour. So again this is the least amount, like this is the minimal work I need to do to earn this up to 400 rupees. So it can go up to $50 also. So it again, if you started, you can start with small, then gradually you can increase your price, like you can go with $10, $15 and all, depending upon the projects that you are handling and depending upon the experience that you have. Now if we generally talked about, guys, other points that we have, like you can say we have covered how much we can earn through freelancing in social media. Now we talk about social media briefing basically. So let's again, if we talk about what is social media, so social media is, guys, a two-way interaction platform. Why it is a two-way interaction platform? Because again I can comment on your picture, you can reply on that, we can chat, we can connect with the whole world, like we can send friend requests to each other, then again we can have a video call and we can again give our opinion and all that on the profile pictures, pages and all that. So again, that is why the reason it is called as a two-way interaction platform. And if we talk about major social media, so again it's starting from Facebook. Now again, Facebook, you can't just ignore Facebook. Why? Because again, every gender people, every, like you can say, age group people are in Facebook. So again, a 13-year-old kid to, again you can say, our parents, we are also present, and again in some cases our grandparents are also present. So that's what make Facebook a must have platform for a marketer. So you can't just ignore Facebook, because again, irrespective of if you are providing any services or any product you are selling, you have to do marketing in Facebook so that you can reach out to your right audience. And then second, again if we talk about the other platform that we have Instagram. So again, what is Instagram? Instagram is for interest based people. Means, like, suppose if I am looking for particularly, you can say, like if I like digital arts, or if I like, suppose, designer clothing, or if I like any other categories like celebrities, or you can say different artwork and all. So again, I will be more active on Instagram and I will be following their pages, or you can say business profile, rather I will say. Instagram have a business profile option. Then if we talked about Twitter, so again Twitter is a opinionated platform, guys. So again, Twitter, if you are handling any big companies projects and all, then you need to be like creating their account, professional account, and you need to be having, like you can say, present in Twitter, so that you can see like what is happening in Twitter, what people are talking about. So again, you can see in what's happening, and again if you go in Twitter and you can click on see more, here you can see what all are trending in the Twitter. For you, trending, if you go click on trending, so again you can see here trending. So again, if you click on the trending topic, you can see everyone is giving opinion about that trending topic. So again, being a brand, you can see like what particularly topics are trending, and you can make content on that, so that again the reach of the account gets more and more followers and more engagement for the Twitter account you will get. So social media, do remember guys, social media is mostly about the engagement. So again, you have to see the opportunity how you can have higher engagement for your company or freelancing project that you are handling. Then afterwards we have LinkedIn also. So in case if you are handling a B2B company, so again, what is B2B companies project, guys? B2B is business to business. So again, for example, Meesho, you can say Alibaba, or you can say Udaan, basically in India. So again, these are the like some example for B2B. So B2B is business to business. When I am providing services or product to business, like suppose any business I am selling my services or product, that is called as B2B. B2C is I am dealing with individual customers and all. Like Flipkart and Amazon is example of B2C, business to customer, and Amazon business is example of B2B. Now again, LinkedIn, why it is a one of the most popular platform or one of the best platform for B2B business? Because here we connect with our professional network. Like I will be connecting with the people who are in from digital marketing field, or who are my colleagues and all, so that we can share the knowledge. So that's why it is a one of the best professional network. And again, in LinkedIn you can also like do your personal branding, and again you can do the brand marketing. And fifth point is, guys, how we can make with social media, how can we can leverage for our own business or any business or freelancing work that we are doing. So again, one way of like getting more benefit or more information is like Facebook groups. So again, there are estimated like data of 1.8 billion people uses Facebook group, and again with 10 million of groups on Facebook. So again, more than 10 million of groups we have Facebook. And again, like particularly any business partner or any customer or any client we can get through the Facebook group. So again, it is highly advisable to use Facebook group to see like what people are talking about, any industries and all. This gives you a good idea about your own company and how you can expand that, or in case of client companies or client business or the company that you are handling work of, you can also leverage the advantage with that. Then again, LinkedIn, we have talked about, it is about B2B platform. So again, like it always helps professional to connect with potential business partners and collaborations and all, employees, employers. So again, if you want to hire a talent and all that, so again LinkedIn is a perfect platform, or you want to collaborate with any other companies and all, so it is again a very very good platform for B2B, as we have discussed, and it is more than like 467 million members. So again, like, it is very good platform to find the right partners or to collaborate with right companies and all for products or businesses, or you can say services that you are offering. Then afterwards, Instagram, again, like, Instagram is one of the best platform, and in recent time we have seen the rise of the, like, you can say, brand collaborator and content creator. Now, who are content creator? Who are creating content? They have a specific set of audience. For example, suppose if I have a designer clothing, so I can do partnership with, again, content creator who are from fashion industry. So what will happen? Again, my brand will get a good exposure through that content creator, and again the chances of selling and chances of brand awareness among the people who follow fashion creators and all will be more. So I can get more sales out of that. So again, that is one tip I will suggest you guys can do and you guys can find. And then again, last, I will want to give you a tip about, like, always create Facebook and LinkedIn group of your own company or the brand that you are working for, or in case of if you are having your own businesses and all. Why? Because again, you can see the conversation about the industry as a whole that can help you with your marketing and product development, like what are the flaws, what are the benefit, what people exactly are talking about your product and services. Again, this is what we have for today, guys. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.